Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today in this video we are going to discuss AAVE and its AI based forecast, its regression analysis, as well as some of the other models such as simple moving average, dollar cost average, time weighted average price, and regression analysis related model. The reason we are going to talk about AAVE today is because of its healthy rally over the last 24 hours. You can see AAVE has been, if you see top rallying crypto of the top 100 cryptos on coin market cap, AAVE is topping the list with almost 14% gain over the last 24 hours. In terms of its tokenomics, and fully diluted market cap at around 1.6 billion, circulating supply at around almost at 15 million, total supply at 16 million. So but this crypto does not have a max supply. The market cap by TVL is at around 0.11, total value locked is at around 12 billion. So compared to 12 and a half billion of total value, market cap is almost 1/10 of that. So kind of a healthy sign in terms of price action. And also let's focus some attention on price versus market cap movements to get some understanding that if there is some token dilution happening, that is if there is a market cap growth which is not getting reflected in price thanks to token dilution. If let's check if that's the case. Over the last 1 year, price at one point was at around $50. Now it's almost a 2x at around $100. So let's see if market cap has grown by a wider margin. So in the around September 2023, the market cap was at around 780 million. Now the market cap is at twice of that, almost 1.5 billion. So that means whatever growth the market cap growth of market cap had been achieved over the last 1 year has been reflected in price. That means the impact of token dilution, if any, is very minimal and not observable. That is a good sign. Again, none of the content is financial advice, but this is again a no-brainer that if the tokens that you are considering has a lot of unlocks, a lot of market cap growth which does not get reflected into price, it's better if to either stake or stay away from the crypto, because again that means that it's going to the gains are going to inflate away. The good thing is that this is not the case for AAVE. Let's move ahead to the AI based price forecast. We train our own machine learning algorithm on the price of AAVE going back to 2020 October, and at a weekly level we train the price action and use machine learning techniques such as ARIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost. And our model output, this is the graphical view. We also have a tabular format for week by week what could be a theoretical base case, one standard deviation bull case which is 0.68, and bear case over here, and two standard deviation which is 0.95, and bull case and bear case. So right now start with the base case. Now that the price is at around $92, sorry, $99, our AI based model going forward, that is since August till about December, the price action per this model at a base case level could be between $95 and $105. This is the base case. That means in a sideways market. The hypothesis is if the market were to stay sideways, what could be the price action? If the market were to go up and reaches one standard deviation ceiling, that is the yellow line, support, and again a trailing support with the green line, which is if the market were to crater, what could be a theoretical bottom. So let's start with the bull case scenario. If the market, that is, no one can tell if the price has to go up or down, that is determined by the market forces. But if it were to go up, what are some of the key levels to watch per the AI based forecasts? Again, if the market were to go up, by how much can it go up? This is again not financial advice. Now that the week of July 28 will close in next 2 days, the average price forecasted by our model for this week is at around $102. Again, price is slightly $3 or $2.5 below this level. And then going forward till the end of December, the price action forecasted is between the $102 and around $350. Again, week by week these ceiling prices go up or down based on the trajectory forecasted. That's why we have a tabular view of this AI based forecast. Similarly, the bear case scenario, how low can the prices go? from now till December is between $50 all the way to about $80. So that's the AI based forecast for AAVE. Today, why are we making this video? This is because the regression band, now that we have updated our regression analysis with recent price action, you can see the regression band now that today is at around last week of July of 2024. The price is at around $99. You can see the regression, one standard deviation regression band is at around $98. And what I wanted to show is that right now, as this relationship of price and time is not linear, you can see there are phases when the price goes up with time, and there are phases, that is in bear market, where price goes down with time. Essentially till about March of 2024, since October or May, October of 2023, the price was in an upswing, but in the recent dump of the crypto market, the AAVE's regression bands have been in a downswing. So looking back through the lenses of history, what usually happens when the prices kind of stabilize and the bands have to have a upswing, what happens is that first the price reaches its fair value. Hopefully that process is already over back in May of 2024, and now that the official unofficially, this is again not financial advice, now that we are going back to the one standard deviation peak levels. You can see over here when 2023 began, there would be a test, if any, of this two standard deviation peak, which is at around $125. If that gets taken out, then the price, instead of having a downward slope, will have an upward slope. And usually what happens, the levels stabilize, and then we take off from there. So that is one way to analyze. So key level to watch is if the rally goes to $125. If not, whether it can hold that $98 level. In terms of the risk levels, and this is the color coded dollar cost average model for AAVE, color coded with high risk, where DCing out of the market. You can see over here, this model tells if the price is too far gone from the base regression price, polynomial regression price, which is the gray bar. If and when the price goes too far up away from, this is a proportional distance, also has a time weighted factor multiplied to this regression analysis to account for diminishing volatility, also diminishing returns. In this scenario, the regression price is around $75, and the risk levels are slightly coming down at around 0.6. The key idea is when the price is below this regression band, that's when that's a great time to dollar cost average in, like during April of or late May of 2024, also during the bear market June of 2022, when the risk levels were at 0.2. So with this wanted to share where the regression, some of the levels would be again confluence around $115 to $125, the key level to watch, so as to break the structure and have a upswing. Last but not the least is maybe the most important analysis is the time weighted average price for AAVE. Essentially, when the this is again calculated over average price of AAVE over a specific period, that is since its launch, to look and again the purpose is to find the proportional difference between the price of AAVE and the time weighted average price, which is the line in blue. Right now the time weighted average price of AAVE is coming in at $152, and the key idea over here is whenever the price is below that the time weighted average, when price at $152, whenever the price is below this level, that's a good time to DCA, because again not financial advice, because what tends to happen is during the mania phases, the price goes up and significantly above the time weighted average price. So again, if you have a longer term horizon, you are looking at accumulating when the price is below the time weighted average price, such as right now. So again, with this I would like to conclude the video. Just to summarize everything, AAVE currently undervalued per this time weighted average price. in terms of its regression analysis, the $115 level is key level to watch. In terms of that is the DCA model. In terms of regression bands, the key level to watch is 2 standard deviation peak at $125, and the AI based forecast, if we have a bull case hypothesis, between $102 and $350. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.